everyone. So in this opportunity, I'm going to share you what I have been learned in the module of understanding entrepreneurialism. So a little introductions about what the module is. Basically, the module taught us about how to become a good entrepreneur in the near future. So let us move on to our first section, which is what I've been learned in this module. First and foremost, I've been learned about communication and leadership, because being in a group project with other people somehow put me to be a leader within the group. And of course, to be a good leader, I also believe that communication skills plays an important role in it. And I also learned how to develop good communication skills in order to have a good communicating within the group, so that we can also achieve our goals, which is successfully in this business proposal project. Lastly, obviously, I also learned a lot about how to become a good entrepreneur in the near future. For example, like the motivations, the ways how to become one, and so on. And so if you're talking about my success and my failure in this module, I'm sure there are many of it, but I think from my success in this module, I could finally achieve our goals as a team in a group project. And well, honestly, at the time when our tutors divide the groups randomly, I was skeptical about my communicating skills, and I was believed that becoming a leader is a doom for me. But it turns out differently, and I can do well, and it was beyond my expectations. For my failure in this module, I think in terms of communications with the group members, I still lack of it. I mean, the only way we communicate is only when we have the group things. But other than that, we are not communicating between each other. And I personally think that to have good entrepreneur team, we need to be more like intimate and more deep relationship between each others, so that every matters in the project can be speak out without a doubt. Alright, talking about challenges in this module, unfortunately, we are conducting this module as a fully online class where internet connections sometimes become part of my barrier as well. And there are so many disruptions for my surroundings. For example, my friends or my families who are talking with me. And of course, in terms of having a communication within the group mates, also become one of the challenges for me because of the restrictions of meeting physically. And to overcome it, we do it with meeting in a Microsoft Teams as a weekly basis. Alright, the key takeaway, of course, in terms of working collaboratively with people, indeed I can do better in the next opportunities to encourage my colleagues to have a more intimate brainstorming sessions in order to solve some problems. And what I can do in the future is encouraging myself to think about ideas that are outside the box, because from what I learned on this module, every problem comes with the solutions. And as a future entrepreneur, I need to think outside the box in order to come up with the answers and solutions. That's all from me. Thank you.